Ever noticed this? Someone yawns and suddenly you yawn too. Why does that happen? No, it's not boredom, and no, your brain isn't being rude. Yawning helps your brain cool down. When your brain gets tired or warm, a yawn brings in more oxygen and helps it feel fresh again. That's why you yawn when you're sleepy, bored, or even stressed. And here's the cool part. Yawning is contagious because your brain copies people you feel connected to. So next time you yawn in class, don't panic. Your brain is just saying, "Hey, I need a refresh." Science approved.